This is a KF607. In this video I will guide you how to operate. Okay, so this one is a remote control, have a built-in battery, so you just power on and then you can see a fresh LED. And for the drone, this is a power button, press and then you can see a light. Okay, the light is, which means the drone is ready. Okay, how you make it fly? Okay, if you turn like this up, it won't function, so you have to pair with the drone. How to pair the drone is up down. Okay, when you press up, you have to press down, up down. Yes, you have to up and then down, then the drone can start moving. This is how we operate the drone. Okay, let me operate one more time for you. Okay, let me power off. I power off everything, you can see. Now I shut down the drone. What I need to do is, you can see the remote control is in off position. I power on. Okay, we can see the LED flashing, and then we power on the drone. Okay, there's a light indicator, which means the drone is ready. So you have to up and down. Okay, you hear the beat sound, up and down, then you can start operate the drone. Okay, this is ready. If you want the flying, you can keep pushing up. Okay, this is down, stop. Okay, thank you for watching.